I would like to explain about the DDL, DML, DCL, TSL, and constraint. First, I would like to explain about the DDL, which is data definition language. In that, the first command is create. It basically creates the database table, and second one is the alter, which is used to change the row or column, and also it change in the table structure. The third one is a drop, which deletes all the rows and the table structure as well. Then talking about the truncate, then it truncate basically delete all the rows, but the table structure remains the same. That's a difference between drop and table. Only in drop, table structure also deleted. In truncate, structure remains. Or rename, like in rename, we can easily rename the table name or column name. Now the second command is DML, which is data multiplication language. In that, the first is insert. Using insert, we can add a new rows. Update is used to change some value. For example, to modify the salary, then we can use update. Delete is again delete the value from the column, and select is used to select table from the database. We can select one or more table as well from the database. Delete is something that a particular row can be deleted or some value as well. Then the third one is the DCL, which is data control language. It's easy, like grant. In this, we can give the permission to the user, and the revoke is exactly opposite. It, in this, we take the permission back from the user, like a user can't control anything. We can take control from the user. The fourth one is TCL, transaction control language, in which the first one is commit. Basically, it like when the whole everything is done, the whole process is done, then we can use the commit to save all the changes. For example, if we buy something online and after the payment is done, everything is fine, then we can use commit to save everything. Rollback is something that if anything if any error occurs, then we can use rollback to go back and write and start again from the beginning. And the save point means basically in every steps we put something like save point which in every step, like for and like for example, if an error occur in some particular step, then we don't have to go from the first step. We can solve the error at a particular step. So the save point is used for that. In simple terms, commit is done after completing the every step. Rollback means if error occur, then we can use a rollback to start from the beginning. And what we have done will automatically remove. And the save point means we don't have to go in a first step. If error occurs, we can easily start the process from the error point. So basically save point saves our time and the constraint. There are different kinds of constraint. First is a primary key. In primary key means it contains unique value and not null. Foreign key basically is used to is a reference of the primary key. Basically, one table has a primary key and one table has a primary key column, and that same column is also present in the different table. So we can say that that's the foreign key. Using foreign key, we can easily link each. We can easily link the tables. Unique means no duplicates. Not null also means that no missing value needed. Check basically check the condition. If the condition is satisfied, then only we can get the output. Default means it's if no value is assigned, then the default value will show.